Honorable members, these issues have been raised repeatedly during the week, with the result that we have already lost 3 days working. The days that should have been committed by us for public cause. There should have been vindication of our oath that we perform our duties as expected. The loss of time, the loss of opportunity by not having question hour has given enormous setback to the people at large. Now I find, honorable members, and I call upon you for deep reflection. Rule 267 is being weaponized as a mechanism of disruption and disruption from our normal working. There are very senior members. This cannot be appreciated. I express my deep anguish. Nothing going on record. My absolute pain. We are creating a very bad precedent. We are dishonoring the people of this country. We are not coming up to the expectations. Our actions are not people-centric. They are to absolute public distaste. We are getting into irrelevance. People are ridiculing us. We have virtually become laughing stock. I appeal to you. Please, the House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. on Monday, the 2nd December 2024.
All right, so Rajya Sabha that has also been adjourned amid the ruckus and uproar by the opposition, while Lok Sabha has been adjourned until 12 p.m. today. So last day of the week, Lok Sabha that has been adjourned until 12 p.m. while Rajya Sabha has been adjourned as well. Let's quickly go across to Madhurima, who's joining us for more. Madhurima, both houses have been adjourned last day of the week, but if you can talk to us about what could have been expected, rather can be expected through the end of the day when it comes to those key discussions in the Parliament.
Well, Samiksha, there were multiple key issues that needed Parliament's attention. For example, the Waqf JPC report that was also during discussion. But remember, the opposition had sought extension on it. That issue was to be discussed. Then One Nation, One Poll was a crucial issue that needed Parliament's attention in this particular winter session of the Parliament. But what needs to be seen here is that both the houses have been adjourned. Yet another day starts with adjournment. It's 4th consecutive day where we are seeing no business happening on both the floor of the House. We just heard Jagdeep Dhankar, the Vice President of the country and the Chair of the Rajya Sabha, where he went on to say that we are setting a very bad precedent in front of the country and that we have become a virtual laughing stock and that we should not resort to such tactics. While the opposition continued to raise slogans and create ruckus, Jagdeep Dhankar continued to press upon the fact that we need to have fruitful discussions, but to no avail, Samiksha, following which Jagdeep Dhankar, the Vice President, Chair of Rajya Sabha, went on and adjourned the House. We'll have to wait and watch as to what really happens post-noon. But yes, yet again, for the 4th consecutive day, we see both the Houses starting with adjournments. Samiksha.
Yes, Madhurima, thank you for the moment. Let's also play out that sequence of from the House of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha before the houses were adjourned.
आप सदन चलने में सहयोग करें। आज महत्वपूर्ण विषय स्वास्थ्य और महिलाओं पर प्रश्नकाल में चर्चा हो रही है। प्रश्नकाल आपका समय है। मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि प्रश्नकाल आपका समय है और देश की जनता लगातार माननीय सांसदों के बारे में, संसद के बारे में, अपने बारे में चिंता व्यक्त कर रही है। इसलिए मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि सदन सबका है, देश भी चाहता है संसद चले। मैं आग्रहपूर्वक करता हूं आप जाएं, मैं आपको हर विषय हर मुद्दे पर नियम प्रक्रियाओं के तहत चर्चा करने का पर्याप्त अवसर दूंगा। आप सदन चलने में सहयोग करें। आज महत्वपूर्ण विषय स्वास्थ्य और महिलाओं पर प्रश्नकाल में चर्चा हो रही है। प्रश्नकाल आपका समय है। मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि प्रश्नकाल आपका समय है और देश की जनता लगातार माननीय सांसदों के बारे में, संसद के बारे में, अपने बारे में चिंता व्यक्त कर रही है। इसलिए मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि सदन चलाने दें। सदन आपका है, सदन सबका है, देश भी चाहता है संसद चले। मैं आग्रहपूर्वक करता हूं आप जाएं, मैं आपको हर विषय हर मुद्दे पर नियम प्रक्रियाओं के तहत चर्चा करने का पर्याप्त अवसर दूंगा। सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
All right, so both houses of parliament, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, have been adjourned. Dhankar tearing into the opposition, Rule 267 being weaponized by the opposition. That's what Jagdeep Dhankar said in the Rajya Sabha. And this while the ruckus and sloganeering continued by the opposition. So as we speak, in the Rajya Sabha, 17 notices that have been written to Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. These notices include one on Adani, include several on Adani matter, Manipur issue, and persecution of Hindus in Bangladesh as well. So while Jagdeep Dhankar urged an appeal to the parliamentarians to engage in fruitful discussion, there was ruckus and sloganeering that once again marred the parliament session. Let's go across to Madhurima also, who's joining us for more. Madhurima, 17 notices that were written to the chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. These included on Adani matter, Manipur, and Hindu atrocities in Bangladesh. The question, of course, being if the opposition wants to engage in discussions on these matters, why will it not let the House function peacefully?
Well, Samiksha, that is the point that was raised by Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, where he said that there are multiple issues that needs attention of the Parliament. The same issue was indeed raised by the Lok Sabha Speaker as well, Samiksha, where he went on to say that there are multiple bills, multiple issues that needs the attention of the parliamentarians today, specifically those which are concerned towards development of women. And he asked for a cordial session, but to no avail, Samiksha. We saw both the houses being adjourned, where Lok Sabha being adjourned till noon. Rajya Sabha has been adjourned for the day. So all in all, no work has happened in the upper house for the entire week, because the Lok Sabha will now only convene on Monday. Saturday, Sunday is the weekend off. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what really happens in the Lok Sabha, if at all any discussions will take place or not, or will there be yet another adjournment and the Parliament will resume on Monday. But yes, very strong words coming from the Rajya Sabha chairperson Samiksha, where he said that the opposition is weaponizing this tactic, and this constant adjournments have made the Parliament look like a laughing stock. And this is coming after when yesterday Jagdeep Dhankar, in yet another strong statement, has said that it's either highway or my way for the opposition. So Samiksha, just a couple of minutes left. At around 12 noon, the Lok Sabha will resume. We'll see what happens next.
Yes, stay with us, Madhurima. So, Madhurima getting us important details on what exactly happened. Jagdeep Dhankar, who said that Rule 267 is being weaponized by the opposition. Madhurima, if you can once again put this in context, talk to us about how Rule 267 is being violated by the parliamentarians, the rule that allows members to move for the suspension of rules to discuss urgent matters.
Well, yes, absolutely, Samiksha. According to Rule 267, it gives right to the opposition members to butt in and ask for an urgent discussion. So the opposition has been harping on the fact that they are invoking Rule 267, but the Rule 267 does not entail creating ruckus. That is what the opposition is forgetting. What Jagdeep Dhankar had even said yesterday and reiterated today as well, Samiksha, was that fruitful discussions can happen. The opposition needs to raise these issues in the cordial manner following the protocol, but there is no point in abusing 267 when it is laced with unwarranted ruckus.